My name is Domino, and I'm the Assistant Manager for Sarawak Energy.
My name is Ching Fang. I'm the Finance Manager with BOMAG APAC.
I want to be a better version of myself in terms of the leadership role and also the skills in leading people.
I registered for the Team Lead program because I'm a new manager and I want to equip myself with the skills to lead my team.
During the session or during this program, so I learned about the CPO assessment, and also the best thing that I learned also is that on the design thinking skill, where our group was tasked to present in terms of the role play that we have in the program.
In the Team Lead program, I enjoy learning about my leadership style through the self-assessment tool. I also like the learning of influencing through strategic thinking.
One of the things that I can apply is that I think in terms of the influencing skills that was shared by one of the professors in the program, and because I come from a HSC field of background, and it helps me a lot to influence people in following the HSC rules and procedures.
While I learned a lot from the program, I would like to adopt the design thinking principles to form action plans for my team.